This is a smart GPS finder. Unboxing. Including package is 5 GPS finders, 5 batteries, 5 keychains, and 5 user manuals. Each are inside a Ziploc little bag. Here's the app, and so the app is called iSearching. Here I'm going to go through the connection settings. So pretty much what you want to do in the home screen, you just press the connect, and then you can change the name of the device. You can do the find me or pretty much anti-lost. There's different settings so you could go through, and so you just want to go and navigate through the menus. So the app pretty much has 11 different rings that will indicate or tell you if you're too far away from it or if you lost it. Here I'm reconnecting. And at the bottom you could do different things, and there's the location. You could just zoom in and find where your devices. I'm not going to zoom in too much because it'll give the location of my house. The app also has a very detailed manual. Lastly, I'm just going to go through changing battery and tying key change. And so you're just going to want to use a small little screwdriver, flathead, and open the device. And of course then do the keychain and the change to the battery. So far the device works great. I've had it for several weeks. Haven't had any issues. The app is actually easy to navigate through and use. The hardest part is pretty much right here, just adding the keychain part. And so overall, it's just a great product. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.